Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Food channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. In today's video, we are going to make a Ghana pound cake with our new Shardor hand mixer. So let's get started. So this is my new hand mixer and I'm going to unbox it for the first time today. So let's see what we have inside. Hey guys, so this is the Shardor HM315W electric hand mixer, and it comes with 5 variable speeds, also a turbo function. It starts at a slow speed and gradually work your way up, and 1 eject button. So it comes with an instruction manual that you can see here. How to use it, the product description, the specification, some tips, how to clean it, how to keep it well, and how to troubleshoot it if there's any problem. There is also a warranty, a limited 2-year warranty for this product. Oh, and there's also a thank you card. This is nice. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. One good point is that it is well packaged. I love me some kitchen gadgets well packaged. So this is the hand mixer and I like how sturdy it is. I really like the design. And let's see. Oh, it has a storage base, guys. This is amazing. This is really good because you can just put the beaters, whisk away. So let's see what we have. So we've got beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk. Everything I need. This is just perfect. And then I just put it in the storage box and put it away. Perfect. So I'm very happy with this new hand mixer. I have got quite a few as well, but this one is very good, especially like I said because of the storage base. I haven't seen that yet. And so I am going to use these ones for my cake. So let's put it up together. All right, friends. So now I am fitting the beaters in my electric hand mixer, and so far so good. I am not struggling to do it, so this is perfect. We need to try this new hand mixer and prepare our cake with it, shall we? Hey guys, for my Ghana pound cake, I am going to use my silicone baking thing because I think it is easier to use. So for the first step, you need to butter your baking thing. Some people also use oil, but I would highly recommend you use margarine or butter. Next, you have to sprinkle some flour in the baking thing, and if you do that, your cake won't be sticking in the pan. All right. In a bowl, add in 250 grams of sugar, and I am using granulated sugar. Next, I'm going to add 250 grams of margarine, but you can also use butter if you prefer. Next, we are going to cream the margarine and sugar together. You need to beat it until the margarine or butter and sugar becomes white and fluffy. Okay, so just as you see here, I'll just show you a close-up so you can see what I mean. So this is it. This is perfect. Hey guys, for this pound cake we are going to add 5 eggs, but we will be adding the eggs one by one and mix in between every egg addition. So ideally you should have 250 grams of eggs. So if you want, you can also weigh it, but I am using medium size eggs. So now I'm going to add my remaining eggs and mix it very well. You can also preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to add a 1/4 cup or 60 ml of evaporated milk, 1 or 2 tablespoons of pineapple extract, and I'm using 1 this time, and then mix it for about 30 seconds. And this is it. Next, we are going to add 250 grams of flour, and I am using plain flour. Next, we are going to add half a tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You can also grate your nutmeg if you've got the fresh one. Now we are going to mix it together, and if you have noticed, I did not use my hand mixer this time. I'm just folding in the flour with my spatula nicely. Okay, so fold it in until you get this consistency, and this is what you need to achieve. Next, pour the butter into your baking thing. If you want to divide the dough into 2 things, you can also do it, and it will bake quicker. So now put it in the oven at 170 degrees for about 1 hour and a half. And this is it, guys. Look at this nice Ghanaian pound cake. So I'm just going to let it cool down for a while, and then we'll be cutting it. Hey guys, so I'm now going to remove it from the baking thing, and look at this. It did not stick one bit. So this is the perfect cake, and it smells so good. I'm telling you guys, you are not going to regret making this cake. So now let's cut it up and see how it looks like on the inside. Look at this, guys. This is the perfect soft and moist Ghana pound cake, or Ghana cake, or sponge cake, however you want to call it. And let me show you a close-up of a cake slice here. Look at how spongy it is, how soft it is. So this is the perfect cake, trust me. Okay guys, I have got good news for you. If you want to achieve the same Ghana sponge cake as me, I'm giving you the opportunity to purchase the same hand mixer, the same Shardor hand mixer. So if you use my discount code Mrs. Dewey, you get a 50% discount, guys, and it is available from the 6th September until the 20th of September 2021. So please do not waste time and go grab it. You have it for only £13.49. This is a bargain. I am also going to leave the purchase link below the video, as well as my discount code, so that you can go and get one for yourself and try this wonderful Ghana moist pound cake. Thank you all for watching this video, and I also like to thank ECHO for sending me out this hand mixer. I love it very much. See you all next time. Bye bye and take care.